Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I took a month off of one of my favorite fashion subscription boxes, Mix and Match, and this month I got it again, and it's very, very heavy, so I'm really excited to open up with you. I don't even remember what I told Alexis that I was requesting, so it's going to be a big surprise for you and a big surprise for me, but that's totally fine with me. I'm super excited. So what Mix and Match is a monthly subscription service for clothes. You get about 8 items, and they come in UPS box, and then they give you this beautiful pink envelope, and your clothes come in this beautiful tissue paper that's always so cheerful, and it always picks me up. Normally I get it at the end of the day. They do give you a little invoice with a note from your stylist, and my stylist does know that I put up YouTube videos. She always watches them. And then another invoice with the prices, which I'll go over. And they also do have a 3-month payment plan, which I've never used because I'm pretty stingy of what I buy. Even though I love this service, I just don't buy enough to use the 3-month payment plan, but it's a great option if I ever do. That's awesome. And then they give you a self-addressed stamped envelope to UPS. So that's really awesome. You can just throw it in the front of your house, or you can also drop it off at a UPS store. So that's really convenient. So let's look what's inside. I'm excited to see. I missed it. I do love this service. I think it's one of my favorite services for subscription fashion. I just love, there it is. I see some denim, which I'm excited about. I love the prices. The prices are on point. They're not too high, they're not too low, they're right in the middle for me, and that's really helpful because I don't like to spend a ton of money on clothes all the time. So I do appreciate that, and I also appreciate that you can talk to your stylist through email, and Alexis responds right away, and we have a great dialogue of what I'm looking for, and she can tell me if she can find it or not. So that's good as well. Ooh, this is pretty. I do like this. This is a cute, it looks like a tank with some cute little tabs, it looks like, up on the sleeves. Very cute. It is $49 by Pinch. It is see-through, so I don't know how much I'm gonna like that, but I do like the color, and I do like it for fall. It does have a little gathering in the front, which is very different. I don't know if I've ever seen this on the top, no less a tank, but I do like it, and we'll see how it fits. Very cute. The next item is by Watermelon, and again, it's a cute little like see-through sweater. Again, I don't really like see-through clothes, so I don't know how I'm gonna keep this. I'm not too into wearing camisoles or anything under. And the price is $32. And I do like the color blocking, so that's really, really pretty. Very different. I believe this is a cute dress by maybe Gilli. It does look like a Gilli dress. It is, and it's $42. Very cute pattern. It's navy blue with some greens, and it has a faux wrap. Some green and some yellow, and it has a really cute ruffle at the bottom. So very different. And here is some denim shorts, which I already bought some Liverpool shorts, denim shorts, so I definitely don't need these, but they are cute, and they are $39, so I'll definitely try them on. I'm not in the need of these, but they are so cute, and I do like the distressing. Very cute. The cuffs are nice. They do look a little short as well. I try to stick with a 5-inch. Ooh, this is a pretty blouse. I do like this. This is by Naked Zebra, and it's a size large. And it's $38, which is a great price. I really do like this for the fall. I think it would be really nice by itself or underneath a blazer or a cardigan. I really do like these sleeves. Very feminine touch. And it's just a straight top. So I really do like this. I'm excited to try this on. This looks like a thermal. Yeah, a black and white thermal. Kind of cute. It is by the brand Mai Soli or Soli, $29. Kind of cute. And then there is another Gilli top, which is kind of cute. I kind of like this. And it's gray with tab sleeves, which is really cute. And a cute little pocket. And then on the back, it has denim stripes. Not sure how much this is. $32. I think this would be really cute for the spring. I'm trying to look for some fall pieces. So I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this, but I'll try it on. And then there is some jeans by Dear John, which I've never tried on that brand before. And I believe they're $93. And they're Gisele high-waisted skinnies. And they have a little bit of distressing on the legs. Like I said, I just bought some jeans, so I don't know if I really need these, but I will definitely try them on for you. Okay, I'm really excited about this box. I like the items. They're totally out of my comfort zone. I don't think I have anything except for the jeans and the jean shorts. The rest of it I don't really own, so I'm excited to try them on. So hold on tight. Hi, I'm back with the first shirt, which is a little short for my liking. It's this Gilli heather gray shirt with 3/4 quarter sleeves. And I do like the back, but it's just too tight. And it's supposed to be a tunic, and I'm only 5'3", so I don't really think this is a tunic. So that's kind of disappointing. But I do like the style. It just doesn't fit me like a tunic. It's really short. But I think it's cute for $32. It just doesn't fit me right. So I'm going to move on with the thermal black and white stripe next. Okay, this is the thermal short sleeve stripe shirt from Mai Soli. It is $29 and it has a V-neck. It has a really cute pocket. And I really do think I like this shirt. Tell me what you think, but I don't think it's too tight. I think it's really cute, and I think it would be great for the fall underneath a cardigan, like maybe an olive color cardigan or even a wine color cardigan would be really, really cute. So I'm definitely thinking about purchasing this shirt. So I really like the thermal material. It's not too thick, so it would fit perfectly for the fall. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this is Naked Zebra. It's just a shell. It's a blue, really pretty blue. I love the flutter sleeves. And this is, I think it is $38. And it's a little tight in the chest, so I think I'm gonna pass, even though I really like the color. And I really hope this would fit. It just doesn't. It's a little tight. And it's tight in the back as well. So I'm gonna have to pass. But next I'll put on the shorts for you. Hi, I'm back with this teal sleeveless tank which I don't really care for that much. It is $49 and it's a size large and it's super tight on me. So it is definitely gonna go back. But I really do love the shorts. They're Liverpool super bleach shorts and they're $39 and they're just a really good length. I thought they'd be really short, but they're not. And they fit me really, really good. So I'm definitely gonna purchase the shorts. So far, so good. That's the only thing that I really liked or that has fit me. I liked a couple of the other things, but things aren't fitting me this month, so we'll see. Okay, I have 2 more items to go. Okay, I'm back with this watermelon top, and I could not find a white camisole to put underneath it, so excuse my bra. I do have a nude bra on, but I just couldn't find one, and it's kind of hot, and I didn't really want to dig forever to try to find one. So it has 3 different color blocks and it's really, really short. So I don't really care for this. It doesn't fit me that great either. So I'm gonna pass on this. I have one more item, which is a really cute pattern Gilli dress. So hold on and I'll be back with that. Hi, I'm back with the last item, which this faux wrap, which I love a faux wrap dress by Gilli, and it has cute little cap sleeves. I do like the flowers and the blue background. It's very slimming. It's just a really cute knit dress, and it is only $42. Let me know if you think it's too short to wear to work or professional wear. I don't think it is, but let me know what you think. I really do like it. I think it's really cute. And for the price, I think I'm going to purchase it. So, there's been totally ups and downs with this box. A lot of things I liked, it just didn't fit me. But I guess save the best for last. And this is like a really cute dress. And I really do like the pattern. I do like florals. And it fits me. And I've been trying to find dresses for a while everywhere. Like I said in my last video, I've been shopping quite a bit. And I can't find cute dresses, so I think I'm gonna definitely purchase this. So I'll be back with the recap. Hi, I'm back with the recap, and today I had quite a bit of fit issues, especially with my chest, and that's all right, that's the way it's gonna be. So I did find a couple items that I really did like, and I wanted to share with you what my thoughts were on the box and to see what your comments were regarding what the items I got. So the first item I really, really liked. I really wanted to wear this to work. It's by Naked Zebra. It's a size large, but it was too tight in the chest. Very cute sleeves, very feminine. The price was great, $38 I think is a good price. I love the color on me. I think it makes me pop with my olive skin tone. So I really do like that shirt. The jeans, I forgot to tell you, I've never tried Dear John's jeans, but they don't have much stretch, and I could not even get them past my thighs, and I don't consider myself having big thighs. So I couldn't even try these on. They couldn't even pull up. So I don't think these jeans are for me. I don't know anything about Dear John jeans, but they don't fit me at all. I couldn't even get them close to getting them buttoned. So that's a no. This cute Gilli top, I really did like the concept of the heather gray and then the cute buttons in the back with the gingham. I guess it's not gingham, it's striped blue and white. And it's supposed to be a tunic, but I'm only 5'3", and this did not go very long. So I think I definitely need to size up on this, but definitely cute. I liked it, just didn't fit. This top was pretty good for $29. I don't know if it's worth just a thermal tee. I do have a lot of black and white stripes, so I don't think I really need this. It is cute and I do like it, but I think it's a little pricey just for a basic thermal tee. It's by the brand Mai Soli, maybe? That's how you say it. It is cute. I do like black and white. This top was by Watermelon. It was also too short, and it had really cute color blocking, which I did like, but I don't wear camisoles. I I tried to find one to wear underneath. I couldn't even find one. So I definitely won't be wearing this. It's too hot here in the summer, and I don't need to wear layers in the summer. But I do like the colors. It just is not for me. Okay, this tank top was a different concept. It was gathered in the front and in the back. And I really do love this teal color on me. It's one of my favorite colors, and I could totally see myself wearing it for the fall with a blazer or even a cardigan. I just liked it, but it didn't fit. It was too tight in the top, and then it was really big in the bottom. And it was also a little bit pricey, $49. I think it's a little bit much for this, what it is. It's not that much material. So that's going back. And last but not least are my two favorite items that I have to decide whether or not I'm gonna buy them. And the first one is Gilli, which I love the Gilli dress. I have about 3 in my closet that I've gotten from probably just mix and match. So I really do like this dress. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me if you think it's long enough. It's really, really pretty. And it's a great price, $42. So I really like this dress. And also the shorts. I do not really need shorts at all. So that's another decision I have to make. I do love Liverpool. That is like my #1 favorite new brand this year that I've tried a lot. I have like 3 pairs of Liverpool jeans. I have 1 pair of Liverpool shorts that I got from Mix and Match that are kind of the pull-on big waistband that I absolutely love. So I do love these a lot, but I don't know if I'm wanting to spend $39 on another pair of shorts right now. So let me know what you think. I would love your opinions. I am going to get that H&M haul done soon. I have a lot of cute items from there. I'm gonna get my Stitch Fix, I believe, next week. So please come hang out with us on my channel. Hit the like button on this video. Hit the subscription bell so you get notified when my next fashion videos post. I love the ladies I have met through YouTube. We have great friendship, great love for fashion. So I hope everyone's doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.